Okay, it looks like we're live. I have got a go on my camera right here, and welcome to the Crypto Zone. This is the update for January 8th, 2017. I didn't do a video last week to say Happy New Year, so I'm going to say Happy New Year now. Welcome to 2018. Didn't do a video last week to announce the new year because I know the people that tune into the Crypto Zone videos, they're pretty sharp. I know you're a pretty sharp group of people, and you figured out that it's a new year. You didn't need me to tell you that, so I kind of just let all the other YouTube folks make their videos. So welcome to 2018 from the Crypto Zone. So whether you're a crypto trader, whether you're crypto curious, whether you're a hodler of cryptocurrencies, we try and make this channel for you and talk about several topics in the crypto space. I try to do a couple live streams. I'm doing this one from home. It's very unusual that I do it from home here, and I'm looking at myself on camera, and I can tell that it must be winter because I've got no color whatsoever. I watch some of the folks on YouTube that are living in tropical destinations, and they got a tan this time of year. I'm broadcasting, we broadcast the Crypto Zone from an undisclosed location somewhere in the North American continent, somewhere close to the Canadian border. So it is definitely winter here, but there's also a few topics that came up within the last couple of days that were the source of many, many videos on YouTube. So again, there was my thinking was I'm not going to make another video talking about these same topics because there's plenty of information about that. And that was there's three topics really, and the first one, of course, is going to be 2017 is behind us now. And we have to start thinking about what's our plan for 2018 and the year ahead when it comes to cryptocurrency investing and trading even. So I'm seeing more YouTube. Over the weekend, I saw several YouTube channel owners with much larger, very large audiences, starting to talk more about exchange trading or trading cryptocurrencies on the exchanges. And if you watch previous videos from the Crypto Zone, you know that's been a focus of the Crypto Zone probably since late October, was the idea of encouraging people to move away from the investment programs or stop being completely dependent on the investment programs. I always said that if you wanted to create an investment strategy that included investment programs, holding coins, and trading coins, then fine, that's your strategy. And if that worked for you, that's great. But over time, we watched program after program after program either disappear in the middle of the night with people's money, or the last one was a chain group not too long ago. It was a popular program. Well, now there's two more programs. One that's pretty much out of the picture now, and one that really on the bubble. So within the last couple of days, I think on Friday or something like that. It's not a program that I was had any involvement with, even though I know several people that are, and that's USI Tech. USI Tech was one of those programs that everybody was saying, well, not everybody, but people were very, very confident that it wasn't like all the other hype programs, much more stable as a program. So therefore, logic was going to be that it's going to be around. Well, USI Tech didn't disappear in the middle of the night, and it didn't scam out like pretty much many of the other programs, but it did decide to stop operations in North America. And that was triggered probably, I don't know the whole story, but the point is they said we are no longer going to be operating, we're ceasing operations in North America. So that's the United States and I believe in Canada, so North America. So that was another program pulled out, people that were all in on USI Tech. They've had that rug pulled out from underneath them. Will things change in the future and they come back? I don't know. But as of today, as of right now, as of January 8th, that program is going to be gone. So another program, I'm calling, I'll say it could be on the bubble, and that's BitConnect, which is another very, very popular program. There was a cease and desist order that came out of the state of Texas. And I would not be surprised if, well, there was some additional news that I picked up on in some of the Discord groups that I'm in. And you can call it FUD or whatever. It was just information, tidbits that I picked up that came across my screen while I was trading about some large team builders and large builders in BitConnect have exited. The names didn't ring a bell to me because I didn't pay that much attention to it. So team leaders and builders were exiting the cease and desist order in Texas. And I wouldn't be too terribly surprised if there's several other states that follow Texas, the lead of Texas, and say, yeah, you're no longer allowed to operate in the state of Texas. Now, if you watch my videos, you know I'm very much a libertarian. So I will say, I understand regulators' role of seeking out scam investments and issuing their opinions on those programs, but to tell citizens, or we live in a free country, and the idea of governments telling us as citizens, as free citizens, what we can, where we can and cannot invest our money, I don't necessarily buy into that. But also, as a libertarian, I believe that with the power to make those decisions for yourself comes a responsibility. So if you were to invest in something that was a sketchy program and you lose your money, we fly without a safety net sometimes, and that's the trade-off, right? The freedom to make our own decisions comes with the fact that we don't have a safety net to catch us if we fall. You got to be okay with that. So anyway, USI Tech, I got all sorts of notifications coming across my computer right now. So hopefully you don't hear that on the audio. But I think the Facebook groups and what have you I'm in are picking up. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff coming across. But anyway, so USI Tech exiting BitConnect. Who knows what's going to happen there? Two major programs. So we need to revisit the idea of what's going to be the strategy for 2018. It can't be just HODL. It can't just be holding coins. Well, if that's what works for you. But the idea of making being proactive in your investing strategy by simply buying coins and holding them and waiting for them to rise, I don't know. It wouldn't work for me. I've been holding coins for a number of years. They've done very well, but that can be hard to duplicate. So areas that people have been making money in cryptocurrency well before all these investment programs, before Control Finances and Chain Groups and BitConnects and all these programs came along, were two areas: holding or hodling coin and trading on the exchanges. So I think in 2018 we're going to be going back to those fundamentals with the addition of ICO investing, which is it grew dramatically in 2017. So it's those three things: buying and holding, trading on the exchanges like Bittrex, Poloniex, Binance, any of the exchanges, and ICO investing. And I think ICO investing is probably going to be a longer term strategy. If you get into an ICO, there's going to be some time before the ICO completes, before the token makes it on the exchanges, and it's still, the value of that coin in many cases is still dependent on that ICO token making it to the exchange, and then it gets traded. So in a way, even if you're an ICO investor, you're still reliant to some degree on the success of that token once it hits the exchanges and traders get a hold of it. But if it's a utility token, you got to wait some time before the utility starts taking effect, and the price of the coin gets adjusted for the utility that's behind it. So, in my opinion, that kind of leaves us with exchange trading. Exchange trading is where you can make profits by trading. Now, I tend not to say this enough in my videos. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not advising you how to invest. I will not advise you how to invest. But let's just, be realistic about it. Is if you want to make daily profits, you got to do something that's going to allow you to make that daily profit. Exchange trading cryptocurrencies on the exchanges is your most likely path to that, to where you can make in and out trades, whether you're a day trader, whether you're trading intermediate term coins, whatever the case may be. So I've talked about a platform called Crypto Agent Bot in previous videos, introduced you to the idea of Crypto Agent Bot. And the reason is, if you previously only invested in programs, and you simply sent your money somewhere, and like take, for example, Chain Group. Chain Group was just a version of exchange trading. You just sent your money to trading groups, and they would trade your deposit. They would trade your deposit on the exchanges. Or if you look at BitConnect, the idea that BitConnect has a trading bot. You make a deposit, you lend I do this a lot, I'm not going to do that. You lend your tokens, you lend your money to their trading bot, and they would trade, their bot would trade your currency, and you would make a profit, your 1%, 1.4%, whatever a day. But I know, as an exchange trader, I can do 30% a day. I can do 50% in a day. I can do multiple trades at 20% in a day. The idea of 1.4% a day or 1% a day or something like that just amazes me, when I know full well that if you trade individual cryptocurrencies on the exchanges, you can do so much better than that. Now, it does take more work, but isn't it fair to say that anything worthwhile takes work and effort? And if somebody's not willing to put in that effort, then maybe you're not entitled to, or maybe they're not entitled to the rewards that come with it. But if you're willing to put in the effort, if you're willing to expose yourself to exchange trading, it's very possible that you could do pretty well at it. And for somebody that is new to exchange trading, and you go to YouTube and you watch the videos, yeah, it can be pretty intimidating when you're looking at the charts and you hear talking about Fibonacci retracements and RSIs and MACD indicators and all that kind of stuff. There's no doubt that can be intimidating, but you don't need to be a full-fledged day trader with in-depth knowledge of technical analysis. That's what Crypto Agent Bot is for. Crypto Agent Bot is simply a Telegram group where you get daily signals. And I tell you what, we'll look at that, because I'm doing this one on my laptop, and I don't normally do these on my laptop. We can take a look at it real quick, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But on your phone, using the Telegram app and Crypto Agent Bot downloaded onto Telegram, the trading team that are watching the altcoins and watching out for good trade opportunities send our group at Crypto Agent Bot a signal. They'll recommend a coin, and they'll recommend a buy price. And then we use Telegram and an API connection to the exchange that you're on, that you use, whether that's Binance, Poloniex, and soon we'll be rolling out Binance, that you can use your phone to make that trade. And we'll look at that real quick. I tell you what, we should do that. But I did want to mention that on the CryptoZone Facebook page, I'm going to begin starting tomorrow night, starting the 9th, and that's going to be Tuesday the 9th. I put a link to it in the video description. And you go to the Facebook page. I'm going to start doing weekly live streams that are going to be introducing myself and some of the other team members here in North America, because we're still relatively a small group. Even though over the last 2 weeks it's been surprising how many people have been coming to the Crypto Agent Bot Facebook group asking to be let in. Don't know where they're hearing about Crypto Agent Bot, but suddenly over the last 2 weeks it's just been exploding. And it's been fun to watch our little group grow. I think I'm a moderator on the. I'm hiccuping now. Sorry about that. I'm a moderator on the Facebook group, and we've got moderators and admins in the United States and the UK for the English-speaking version. And there was a day that I think we added 150 new people to the Facebook group because people were sending requests. Hey, I want in, I want in, I want in, I want to learn about Crypto Agent Bot. So that's kind of fun to see. It creates a lot of work for the Facebook, for the group admins and moderators. Sometimes it's hard for us to. I think there's about like 10 of us that are either admins or moderators on the Facebook group, and it takes all of us just to keep up with people asking questions and people being asked. People asking to be let into the Facebook page. Anyway, I'll be starting on our CryptoZone Facebook page, starting to do weekly live streams, probably with one of the other North American team members, introducing you to Crypto Agent Bot. We'll demonstrate probably Crypto Agent Bot. We'll also open it up to live Q&A. So if you got any questions, it's actually very, very simple. And I do point out, if somebody is somewhat familiar with crypto trading, or maybe you're in the Discord groups or what have you, and you hear the term bot, Crypto Agent Bot is not a trading bot. It does not buy and sell tokens for you. There are bots, trading bots, like a gun bot is one popular one, that will actually buy and sell tokens for you. Now, some of the bots, I'd say most of the bots, I started using a trading bot back in 2015. It was called Butterbot. It was very, very complicated to set up, and I didn't see any results from it. Now, Gunbot and some of these others, it takes some skill in setting it up, and you got to be comfortable with, I'm not going to call it programming, but you need to be comfortable with setting things up. And if you're not, I mean, what I will say is, if you weren't comfortable with exchange trading, and that's why you're investing in programs, you're going to find it very, very difficult to set up some of these trading bots. Trust me, unless you're a technical whiz. There is, I mean, about the hardest thing of Crypto Agent Bot is logging into your exchange, creating the API key, which there's a video that explains how to do it very easily, and how to connect Crypto Agent Bot to your exchange to allow you to do trades. So let's take a look at it real quick, because I kind of rambled on. Let me show first. I'm going to screen share. And let's do this. And we will go to, I'm going to go to the our Facebook page here first. Let's just make sure I'm sharing the right. Yep. Okay. So on the CryptoZone Facebook page, you will see this post with the video I did for Crypto Agent Bot. Oops, let's get out of that chat. Got way too much stuff open up here. Right here, you'll see this post that talks about the introduction to Crypto Agent Bot. So tomorrow we're going to try doing these at, oh, did I lose my camera? Oh. Now, hopefully you see it. I'm confusing myself here now. Okay, good. Why show me? Hold on, I'm having some technical. Okay, I'm not going to do that. Okay, so on the Facebook page, you will see this post here. And you can mark interested if you want, but just so you know, it's going to be Tuesdays. I'm going to do this Tuesdays at 8 Central Time. It's going to be a Facebook live stream. It's not going to be a YouTube live stream. It's going to be a Facebook live stream. So you can join us on the CryptoZone Facebook page. And we're going to do the live streams because I want people to be able to ask questions freely. Yes, you can do it in a video chat, but for me, I'm just much more comfortable in a Facebook live stream type of situation to be able to do the chats. So let me switch back over to this screen here. I'm going to go to, I'm going to try, oh, this is what I'm going to have to do. I have to stop screen sharing. And okay, so now I'm back on camera. Sorry, I mean, I'm going between a tab and a non-tab. So let me go, I'm going to turn on my screen share again. And this time, I am going to go to Telegram. That's what I want. Okay, so now you should be, yes, you see my Telegram now because it's an app. It's not a tab. So this is something different. So I am going to go to, this is crypto. You know, if you look over here, here's everything that I do in Telegram. I got a lot going on in Telegram because I'm following ICOs. I'm following various groups. I'm talking with individuals in here. So I do have a lot going on in here. So your Telegram may or may not look like this. But I'm going to go into Crypto Agent Bot. So I'm in Crypto Agent Bot right now, and I'm going to show you what the trades, what this. I did a lot. I was working a lot in here today. Okay, so here's some trade signals. So in Telegram, you can put Telegram on your phone, or you can have it on, like here, it's on my laptop. It's going to look the same whether it's on your phone or whether it's on your laptop or your desktop or whatever. So Crypto Agent Bot. Here is, and you can see some of the navigation down below. You got a navigation menu. And what we use Crypto Agent Bot for is simply a way for the trading team to send those of us members, us that are using the service, the trade signals. So here was, here's a typical trade signal. ADX, ADX is a symbol, ADX. Buy price, it gives you a buy price, take profit at 50%. Simple as that. So you then go to, and so here's another one. And you get insights on this. Quantum Resistance Ledger, QRL, gave us a buy price of this, and it recommends taking a profit at 40%. And you can use 2 to 3% of your BTC balance. That's the balance that you have on your exchange. They're calling it a midterm signal. Wait 2 to 3 weeks, or you can sell before. We will inform you. You know, what I'll say is, don't get put off by sometimes some weird English here. These are Russian-speaking, Ukrainian-speaking. These are people in Europe that may or may not have a strong command of the English language. That really doesn't matter. So anyway, you'll understand what they're saying. But they gave us some additional information right here. QRL, they are going to introduce privacy and anonymity. Like I said, we wait news from them. So wait for news from them. It can jump 100%. But we set up to take profit at 40% to be more safe. Instead of safe. Because remember, cryptocurrency, we're a global community. So in all fairness, I don't speak Ukrainian. I don't speak Japanese. I don't speak any of the other languages. I don't speak Korean. So I'm not gonna ding somebody just because they don't have a perfect command of the English language, but you get what they're saying. And the cool thing about this is you get these insights on these coins, and you would have to be reading all sorts of cryptocurrency blogs, posts, Telegram groups, all sorts of stuff in order to know what's going on with this coin. But because if you are a subscriber, it works on a monthly subscription. So if you're a subscriber to Crypto Agent Bot, you will get updates like this. You will get updates. You'll get a buy notification or a signal here to buy ADX and take a 50% profit. Here was a couple other ones. Counterparty, XRP. We hit our 35% profit from a signal. Can sell now at 50% of your coins, and hold 50% of them. Don't forget to sell to cancel your sell orders. So what they're saying is we hit 35% profit on a previous signal. You can sell 50% of your coins now, and we'll hold the other 50%. And then that was at 906, and at 929. XCP, 38% profit. There was 35% profit. Now it hit 38% profit. Now you can fix profit. You can take your profit. Yeah, and then there was this information here about Quantum. So those are some signals from just this morning, and those happened throughout the week. When the signals are available. But what we do, let's suppose, I'm going to show you the other half of it. We use BitPoly here to actually execute. You don't execute the trades here in Crypto Agent Bot. So let's suppose we were going to do ADX, and let's say we just got this signal, so we were going to buy. So we go over to BitPoly, which is another part of Crypto Agent Bot. And I'm going to do trading. So in this case, I'm going to go to the button trading. And then if you're presented with a menu of buy coins or sell coins, buy coins. I typically use postpone. The symbol was ADX. I'm going to use BTC because it asks you want to use USD Tether, Ethereum, or Bitcoin. Typically stay with Bitcoin. What percentage of your available BTC? And remember, when the signal, it said 2 or 3%, but I typically go 5% or higher. So 5, I'm going to do 5. Then it says, okay, please enter the amount of percents for which price should get lower to buy a coin. In other words, how much lower does the price need to get before you buy? If you want to buy at market price, you put in 0. Enter. So it's going to say, now it's confirming. It's going to say, okay, we buy ADX for 5% of your available BTC balance when the price becomes 0% lower than the current price at Bittrex. Correct? And if I wanted to execute that trade, I would just hit yes. And BitPoly, or BitPoly bot, that's the bot, would then execute my, because I got this hooked up with Bittrex. I got this hooked up with my Bittrex account. It would execute the trade on Bittrex. Simple as that. I didn't need to go into a complicated screen and look at the charts. I was able to do it just right there. Oh, I just got a message on another token. Yeah, we got a lot of activity going on. But anyway, it's simple. I'm going to go back here. I'm just going to stop screen sharing. There. I hope that works. Okay. So now you just got to look at, for the first time on any of my videos, at Crypto Agent Bot and BitPoly, BitPoly Bot. Those are the 2 Telegram, we'll call them apps. 2 Telegram apps. What you just saw on the screen, I got on my phone. I can do everything you just saw on the screen, I can do it on the phone. I can get a trade signal. I can execute a trade right from my phone, or you can do it from your desktop. And I didn't have to log into the exchange to do that. And And I think that's the part that intimidates most people, is the first time you log into an exchange and you try to put it, and you're planning on doing a buy order. That can be very intimidating. As you saw there, it was simply buttons, answer the questions, and it'll execute for you. So it's a great tool. And we've been seeing a lot of people coming into the group. We've been seeing a lot of people joining Crypto Agent Bot, starting to get signals. We just started, signals started coming out again last Friday after we took the holiday break. So it's been busy, but you just saw right there, 50% profit, 38% profit. Profits are being made. So yeah, I got a lot of signals coming. I got a lot of people trying to reach me now in the Facebook groups. But anyway, if you're interested in Crypto Agent Bot, I invite you to join us on the CryptoZone Facebook page for the live stream. Ask questions if you want to on the Facebook page, on the CryptoZone Facebook page. Send us a message in Messenger if you want to. If you want to be added to the CryptoZone Facebook group, so you can take a look around, ask questions of the other moderators and admins. There's many of us besides myself on the Facebook group. You're welcome to do so. That's why we created it. You don't have to be a paid subscriber to get into the Facebook group. So let's talk about the subscription. A 1-month subscription to Crypto Agent Bot is $250. And if you follow the signals in any 1 month, you'll be able to pay for your subscription in no time. If you're just getting it, if you just go onto the exchange with $100 or something like that, probably not. And if you're just going to play the exchanges at $100 or $100 in BTC, it's probably not worth it. I would say you probably want to at least have $2,000, 2,000 BTC of investable BTC that you can put on the exchange that you can use for trading. You want to obviously be into the trades and buy large enough positions in order so when you do get that 30, 40, 50%, it adds up to something. So I would say if you're, if you want to get on the exchange and put $100 on there just to kind of test the waters and see what it's like, that's fine. But if you're really going to start trading the cryptocurrencies, I would say you should have 2,000 BTC to invest, honestly. So anyway, that's the update. I don't know how long. I don't have a timer on this screen. So I hope you're having a great year. I hope you had a good New Year's, safe New Year's, wherever you're at. And I hope I will see you tomorrow night on our Facebook page for the Facebook live stream about Crypto Agent Bot. In the meantime, have a great night, and see you next time in the Crypto Zone.